There's just something about the Berkshires and art, an inseparable rhythm. They don't simply coexist, they flow through one another like wind through trees.
People come here and they say it's a paradise.
The bend of the tree is the same as the bend of the arm.
The thing about sculpture in nature is that you'll notice more.
Tumbling with joy waves of structure, sculpture born of deep thought. This is a breathtaking path by a rolling river through fields of green, a sculpture trail by sculptor Andrew de Vries. His creations, born of clay cast in fire, speak a language of movement and soul. Their rhythm, it began with ballet.
I would watch ballet on PBS, and it was just magical, this beauty. They have to give their physical self, their emotional self.
It was but a whisper from a choreographer that kindled the fire behind these timeless masterpieces.
Something tells me, Andrew, I think you should try sculpture. And I went to a little community school, Emily Griffith, put clay in my hands, and it's like I said to you before, angels came out of the sky, and that was it. I knew why I came to Earth.
That was nearly 5 decades ago. Sculpture seemed to pour from his hands. The sculpture trail on his own property in Middlefield is open to the public, his gift to the community.
In nature, you see so much more. How it interacts with rain, with ice, with snow. There's a frost in the fall, and you'll see the sun hit it and start to melt. And as it moves across a face or an arm or a torso, it's magical. Why create art if you're not going to share?
Though he doesn't claim a favorite, de Vries often points to the other side of Eden, a piece he says is about so much more than human form.
It's about the human spirit, who we are, why are we here, what makes us both courageous and fragile.
In this sanctuary of stillness and sculpture, he invites us all to pause, to feel, to connect with nature.